Hi YouTube friends, Brad, Silver Lining Daydream. So today in this video we want to do a quick review of the Kindling Cracker Firewood Splitter. So this was made by a young lady in New Zealand who was concerned about her mom getting her fingers chopped off with the axe. So this is supposed to be safer. This has an outer ring so the wood doesn't fly after you split it. And you're not going to be working with an axe. You're going to use a hammer. For the Kindling Cracker they say to use a long-handled 3-pounder. But this is the king, so for the king you can use a 3 or 4-pounder. Now I have a bad wrist, so I'm going to use a 3-pounder. So I just want to do a quick review of this. Maintenance wise, they say to put a little bit of beeswax on the blade to protect it. You can file it with a metal file just to sharpen it. It doesn't have to be razor sharp. The other thing is, if you want, you can paint it as it wears over time. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Get my glasses on, I can't see anything anymore. So let's just tip this. I bought this on Amazon. I'll have the Amazon link below, and it's heavy. Wow. So this king-size Kindling Cracker is heavy. It's a quality construction. There's just no doubt about it. So I'm not going to belabor that point. I'm going to just go ahead and start using it and just share with you how it works, what I think of it. Maybe see how fast we can cut some kindling and how safe it really is. Here's a piece of black locust. It has a knot in it. So you can go as small as you want with this. This wood is really seasoned and dried out. That's easier to split. Here's your knot. So here's a piece of seasoned oak. Hi. So we're going to show you how easy this is. Michelle's going to cut with a piece of black locust. This is her first time. We'll practice. Yeah, good job.
Try it again. It's kind of cool.
Do it again, babe.
Woo!
That one had knots. Now let's just try to hit it through quick. Get it to sit. This is black locust and it's got this little bad crooked piece. Let's put the pointed piece up. Give it a really good whack. Of course, the straighter you cut these, if you don't have these, the safer it's going to be. Just a soft wood. All right, let's try to get a little bit of close-up of this just to kind of see what this looks like. So obviously you have to put a piece of wood in there that fits, but it can't be too wide because it's going to expand as it goes through. And you can see how these kind of taper out, help split the wood here. You can see why I should bolt this down, but I'm going to take it camping, so for this video we're just going to keep it unbolted. There, let's put it back on here. crooked, so you still got to be careful. Maybe spend some time, do the economy of scale thing. Get your good wood that you want to split all in a big pile, bring this over. So we're definitely going to give this a thumbs up. We're going to recommend you go out and get one. Thank you so much for watching our video on the Kindling Cracker Firewood Splitter. If you're finding value in our videos, please consider subscribing, share, and like our video. It helps us to be found. And we'll see you on the next video.